Chic, clip-on style. All-day comfort weighing just 5.85 grams. SoundPEATS PearlClip Pro earbuds fit securely and lightly, like delicate pearls on your ears. Made with 70% liquid silicone and memory steel, they adapt to various ear shapes while ensuring durability. The open-ear design keeps you aware of your surroundings, while the ergonomic, breathable fit and sleek look combine style, comfort, and sound quality seamlessly. Pure sound, open-ear freedom. PearlClip Pro EarClip earbuds deliver exceptional sound quality with 12mm dual magnetic drivers, PU plus nickel-plated diaphragm, and a dynamic EQ algorithm, offering pure, transparent audio and crystal-clear vocals. Its open-ear design with spatial audio effects ensures a comfortable, pressure-free experience, creating a cinema-like atmosphere with immersive, multi-directional sound for movies, music, and podcasts. Extended playtime, personalized control. PearlClip Pro earbuds ensures long-lasting performance with 6-hour single earbud battery life and up to 24 hours of total playback. With fast charging, just 10 minutes of charge provides 2 hours of listening time. Enjoy uninterrupted music and calls without worry. Supported by the Peats Audio app, you can customize the EQ settings to suit your audio preferences and easily check battery status, giving you full control over your listening experience. Auto-adaptive left-right channels. These EarClip earphones offers hassle-free charging with its auto-adaptive left and right channels. No need to worry about which earbud goes where. Simply place the earbuds into the charging case in any order, close the lid for 10 seconds, and they automatically adjust to the correct channels. This eliminates confusion, saves time, and ensures a smooth, intuitive user experience, letting you enjoy your music, calls, or work effortlessly without interruptions. Face-to-face clarity, anytime, anywhere. These on-ear clip headphones feature a directional sound design with a precisely aligned input hole that minimizes sound leakage for accurate, high-fidelity audio. The Macy AI noise reduction ensures crystal clear calls, making conversations as natural as face-to-face interactions. Note: the noise reduction applies only to calls and does not function as active noise cancellation for music or ambient noise.